Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Click the Wi-Fi switcher and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Here you'll see all of the networks. You could select one from them and just enter the password here. To see the password you should click here to this eye icon. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. After that, if you want, you could use more and other networks by the same way by entering the password and connect to them, and after that you could switch between these networks. Also, we got one more way how we could connect our device to the Wi-Fi. First, you should open the control panel and here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, you should hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.